everyone, good morning and welcome back to the Wild Wheels. I'm back with another video and today I've started a bit early. It's around 6 o'clock in the morning. Bangalore में ठंड बढ़ चुकी है, as you can see. It's quite foggy as well. But yeah, I'm not very sure why I'm so hyped up today, but I am. I've only slept for like 3 hours. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But yeah, the ride should be amazing. The plan for today is to go to Sabanahalli Lake. In fact, I was planning that last week itself, but I couldn't. आपने अगर last वाला video देखा होगा, then you would have seen. I planned to go to Sabanahalli Lake, but then beach में, because it was too sunny and all, I thought, chalo, let's just go and have some breakfast at Big Bay. Oh wow, what scenes. So on the left hand side you have the whole forest area, I think, and because of that it's all looking beautiful. Oh man, but it's too damn cold. I think I need a, maybe I need a liner going forward. Because ठंड तो है. And as my goodness, what the hell is it doing, yaar? यहाँ पे anyway everyone drives so fast, then he is coming on the wrong side. Man, oh man, सुबह सुबह मूड खराब कर रहा है. So today I think we are not going to see any ninjas and the faster super bikes. I think they all start a bit late. I think at around 7 o'clock. Oh भाई, बहुत ठंड लग रही है यार. So I haven't slept quite well. So ये ठंडी is actually a good thing for me. नींद तो भगा देगा. But ठंड है भाई, ठंड है. Alright, so the way to Sabanahalli Lake, right? I think I covered this in the last video as well. But it's very similar. It's exactly similar actually. So I'm on the STR highway, keep going towards Devanahalli crossing. Take a right from there, keep going toward Hyderabad. And just before Big Bay, I think around 10 kilometers before that, there is a left turn. And take that left turn and keep going straight for around 20 kilometers from there. The 20 kilometers from the Bangalore-Hyderabad highway towards the left side. I've already been there once, but that was like 3 to 4 months back. I think जब bike लिया ही था, that was the first ride. I didn't have my DJI that time. So I could record anything. But the first Instagram shot or the YouTube shot that I have uploaded, I think it's from Sabanahalli Lake, if I'm not wrong. But what a beautiful place. Hopefully ये weather वहाँ पे तभी रहे. So अच्छा दिखेगा. I was actually planning to get a DJI Avata 2 drone from US, and but मैंने अपने भाई को बोला था कि भाई परचेज करके रख, and then whenever you get a chance to come to India, just उसको ले आना. But what I've understood is कि DJI US में it's shutting down, and that's a very strange thing. But yes, DJI is shutting down in US, so all its stores and everything have already closed down. And अब जो भी items बचे हैं, they're all, I think, leftover stock, only available through Amazon. So that's one issue. The second issue is DJI Avata 2 is a FPS drone, and it's a very powerful drone. So India में allow भी नहीं करते हैं to bring it from US or from any other country. And even if you are able to bring it, you are supposed to register it through a government entity in India. and it seems DJI Avatar 2 specifically, it becomes, I think it's kind of banned, at least for commercial use. I don't know if it's required for personal use or not, but bottom line is I cannot bring it from US, so US से तो आएगा नहीं. India में there are few stores. In Bangalore I saw one, Everse. I think that has the stock for Avatar 2. Then Jatayu also has stocks for Avatar 2. But the only thing is कि उसको मैं खरीद लूँ, and if it breaks down, DJI will not be able to help me out there. So in US and all, the way it works is they give you, along with the drone, they give you a 2-year protection plan. So if it breaks down during the course of those 2 years, you at least get an option to replace them. However, हमारे इंडिया में DJI ड्रोन प्रोवाइड ही नहीं करता है. Most probably it's banned, that's the reason. So वो आफ्टर मार्केट ही मिलता है. So you won't be able to purchase that 2-year protection वाला. And if US is going to ban it, I don't know if India is going to stay much behind. So you never know, हो सकता है DJI इंडिया में भी ना रहे. So yeah, मेरे ड्रोन के सपने तो टूट चुके हैं. Maybe I'll just go ahead and purchase a aftermarket one, a cheaper one. So DJI Avatar 2 is like 1.2 or 1.3 in India, and in US it's around 90. So $999 is what? Is around 90,000 rupees. So it's around 20-30,000 rupees cheaper in US if you get it from there. But इसके कुछ छोटे वाले versions भी हैं. I think Mini 2, Mini 3. I haven't researched a lot about them, but वो छोटे वाले versions हैं. So if nothing, maybe I'll get that. But man, if you guys have not seen DJI Avatar 2, I think everyone definitely should watch. What a marvel of engineering, to be honest. Alright, so this is the turn that I keep missing almost every single time, but इस बार मैं miss नहीं करूँगा. So this is the Devanahalli junction, and I need to take this service road. Yeah, this time I'm not gonna miss it. Riders का group खड़ा है सामने with an X-Pulse, Duke, and I think there was another bike, maybe an Enfield. This is a very dangerous turn, at least for me. Alright, easy peasy. Okay. Say. So if you take a left from that Nandi Upahar, you will reach Nandi Hills, but हमें वहाँ नहीं जाना है. It's been some time here since I've been to Nandi Hills. जाऊँगा, maybe. Let's see when. But I guess ये हैदराबाद रोड वाला सब कवर हो चुका है यार. For the next week ride, I'm not very sure where I'll go to, because यहाँ के सारे spots I think I have already kind of covered. Penukonda हो ही गया. Couple of lakes I've already been to, the good ones. Then एक दो hill थे, वो भी कर लिया. So I'm not very sure what is left here. Horsley Hills was also somewhere in this direction. Oh, that was Kolar Road. That's also kind of covered. Not like, I don't know वहाँ पे और क्या है, because Kolar वाले highway पे तो I've only gone to one spot, right? I think Horsley Hills, yeah. Oh man, easy bhai, easy. bit more crowded than usual, and not very sure what has happened to Royal Enfields. ये सारे Continental GT वाले लग रहे हैं, and they've gone crazy, riding at high speeds. ऐसे रोड पे हाई स्पीड चलाने में क्या मज़ा आता है, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर, बट ठीक है यार, टू ईच इट्स ओन. Who am I to judge? Who am I to say anything? Alright, the yawning has finally kicked in. I was just wondering why I'm feeling so hyped up जब मैंने ज़्यादा सोया ही नहीं है. But it seems the reason was cold, because ठंड लग रही थी, and now the body is getting used to, so the yawning has kicked in. यार जो भी कहो, रॉयल एनफील्ड क्लासिक की तो कुछ और ही बात है. I have a soft corner for classic 350. I used to own one. It's been almost a year since I sold it off. That was my first bike. No, that was actually my second bike. The first bike was a FZ, Yamaha FZ second hand, that me and my friend purchased together during our college days. And I think वो सिर्फ 2 महीने ही चल पाया था. I actually went on a short ride and I rode it for like 5 minutes at around 100 kilometers per hour, और उसमें उसकी बैंड बज गई. पता नहीं, इंजन के पिस्टन में इट सीम्स क्रैक आ गया. सो या, crazy times. Yeah, so those were some days. ऐसे उल्टे फुल्टे काम करने में अलग ही मज़े आते थे. Finally the roads have opened up. काफ़ी crowded था आज, पता नहीं क्यों. That too on a Sunday morning. I was not expecting it to be so crowded. And ये तो ऊपर से हैदराबाद जाने वाला रोड है, so I'm not very sure संडे को इतना crowded क्यों है. Maybe people are going back to their homes, huh? I don't know. So just 30 more minutes to go. The ride has been quite uneventful as of now. बहुत ही peaceful and ठंड वाला राइड है, because my fingers have gone numb. And I think लेक के पास तो और ज़्यादा ठंड होगी यार. Yep, visibility is definitely low and it's worsening. There is a left turn that I am supposed to take. I am very near to that. Should be around I think 5 more kilometers. And उसके लिए again हमें service road पे जाना है. And if I miss it, then you know how it is, a long detour. So can't miss it. Should not miss it. I think from here I should just go into the service road. There is no service road. There is a service road. Ah, okay. Yeah. Here is the service road. So let's take this. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Let's take this. Go straight. Not sure if this is the right way, because what I remember was इसका way should start from अच्छा यही है. Yeah, this is the one. Just 30 minutes from here, so I think I'll reach by 7:25. Na 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 na. Na. Alright, so left turn ले लिया है हमने. Just need to keep going straight on this for another 24 kilometers. And that's where you get to see Sabanahalli Lake. Okay, so I think Sabanahalli Lake start हो गया है. On the left hand side, the lake that you see, I think that's your Sabanahalli Lake. Although I'm not very sure why it's still showing 19 minutes. Maybe the viewpoint is a bit further. Or maybe this is not Sabanahalli Lake. दोनों में से कोई एक ही चीज़ हो सकती है. But let's see. Woohoo! Beautiful. Yep. Yeah. I think this is the one. It's actually quite a big lake. ये तो मुझे लग रहा है बहुत बारिश होती होगी तो maybe it gets flooded. This area at least. A lot of riders standing here enjoying the sunrise. Well, the sun is on my back, इसलिए कुछ खास दिख नहीं रहा है. But let me also park, get some photographs out. Alright, time to go. Time for the next spot. Wow, this looks beautiful. What a ride. आ गया यार. Sabanahalli is here on the left hand side. You're gonna see a beautiful lake. ओहे, ये beautiful lake के चक्कर में हमारी बैंड ना बज जाए यार. देख के चलाओ. Yeah, so this is where I came last time. A beautiful place to hang out and relax. तो वहाँ जाने का मैं सोच रहा था. I think the way that I was supposed to take, right? Supposed to land me up somewhere there. But yeah, maybe next time. Nevertheless, a beautiful place. चलो यार, यहाँ पर रहेंगे तो मूड ख़राब होगा. ये पता नहीं, दो लोग आए हुए हैं, ज़ोर ज़ोर से गाना चला के रखा है. आई डोंट नो मैन. भाई ज़्यादा ही गाना सुनना है तो ज़रा ईयरफोन लगा ले यार. सबको डिस्टर्ब करके रखा है. तो सही. Alright, I'm gonna head back now.